This is the Y sound. Keep watching to find out how it's pronounced in British English. Hi everybody and welcome back to Lean English. I'm Ed and I'm here to help you achieve your pronunciation goals. Before we start, remember to like this video if you find it useful and subscribe for more British English pronunciation lessons in the future. Now, let's look at the Y sound in a bit more detail. Do you remember the E sound which we looked at in a previous video? The Y sound is produced in a similar way. So first produce the E sound. Now, do it again, but this time quickly transition to another vowel sound, such as schwa. Y, Y. Well done, you just produced the Y sound. This sound is produced by raising the front of the tongue and producing a voice sound. It's produced in a similar way to a vowel sound, but it behaves more like a consonant sound. This gives the sound its technical name, the voiced palatal approximant. Obviously, in real conversation we don't produce the E sound first, but you can use this trick to find the correct mouth position. So, try and remember the mouth position and produce the sound again. Y, Y. Now, look at these words. Can you identify the Y sound? Listen and see if you can hear it. Young, onion, joke, duty, cute, few, enjoy, tutor. The Y sound is usually spelled with the letters Y, I, U and E, and it often functions as a transitioning sound between consonants and vowels. When the Y sound is preceded by the T or D sounds, they combine to produce the Ch and J sounds. For example, tuna, mature, duke, endure. This process is known as Yod-coalescence, and it's increasingly common in modern pronunciation. However, some dictionaries may still transcribe these words with the Y sound. I recommend you watch my previous video on Yod-coalescence for more information about this process. The Y sound may be confused with the J sound in minimal pairs, such as your, jaw, yet, jet, use, juice, yoke, joke, yob, job. Remember that although the symbols are the same, the Y sound and the letter J are unrelated, and you should avoid using the Y sound in words spelt with the letter J. Now let's practice. Listen and repeat after me. A beautiful view of the canyon. The student calculates accurately. The valuable yacht sailed to Europe. It continues to divide popular opinion. Civilians contribute to the community. Yod-coalescence may also occur across word boundaries when the Y sound is preceded by the T or D sounds in connected speech. For example, you, nice to meet you. Your, I read your letter. Well, that's the end of the lesson, but can you use the y sound in a sentence? Leave me some examples in the comments below, and remember to like and subscribe for more videos in the future. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.